In this video, we'll talk about history of databases. First of all, in 1970s, relational database was invented. And in these relational databases, the data storage was very expensive as they provided vertical scaling. Data was normalized and the data was stored in a standard and an organized way. Then in 1980s, relational database management system became more commercialized and hence RDBMS have become a predominant choice for the storage of information in new databases used for financial records, manufacturing and personal data, and much more since the 1980s. The client-server model came into existence and SQL became the standard. Now in the 1990s, finally things begin to change. Web and internet came into existence. The three-tier client-server architecture was formulated. Now a lot of data was being generated since the advent of web and internet was creating a buzz among the people. In 2000, now with the invent of internet, there was a rise of social media and acceptance of e-commerce, and hence there was a massive increase of collected data. And now as the data is too big, there was a need to constantly scale and there was a constant evolution of requirements. So the model was scaling very well until there was a data explosion from social networks like Facebook, Google, etc. Like Facebook stores and access and analyzes 30 plus petabytes of user generalized generated data. Now after a certain point in time, the relational type of databases fail to handle both scale and varied structures of data, at least not at a reasonable cost. The reason why relational databases are not good at horizontal scaling is because of the way data stores is distributed in multiple tables and the aggregation might require various joins. So it is never possible to partition data accurately to store in different partitions across different servers. So this was a problem for the relational databases. That's why the concept of NoSQL came into existence. So this was about a bit history about the databases. And in the next video, we will see need arise for a new kind of database.